Alam mo ba na hindi enough ang title, posisyon o trabaho sa ating pagyaman at pag-asenso? Kahit nga mga negosyante, hindi rin guarantee na talagang yayaman. In fact, may mga kakilala tayo, maganda yung title, professionals, mayroong negosyo, pero baon na baon naman sa utang, di ba? Kaya nga, it's very important that we should learn the cornerstones to become financially successful. And isa sa pinakamahalaga ay ang pagkakaroon ng tama at positibong mindset. Ang tanong ngayon, tama nga ba ang iyong money mindset? Pag-usapan natin ang top 18 wrong money mindset ng mga Pinoy kaya marami ang hindi umaasenso. Panoorin ang video na ito. Alright, in this video, we'll talk about top 18 wrong money mindset ng mga Pinoy. Napakahalagang matutunan natin ano ang mali ang tamang mindset para tayo ay maging financially successful. Kasi mayroon tayong mga money mindset na we thought tama pero mali pala. And ito yung nagiging dahilan kung bakit hindi tayo umaasenso. Here are the top 18 wrong money mindset ng mga Pinoy. Number 1, financial education and planning is only for the wealthy. Hindi po, it's for everyone. Kaya hindi kayo mayaman kasi hindi mo pinag-aaralan ang tamang pag-manage na yung finances at tamang paraan sa pagpapayaman. Number 2, I already know personal finance or alam ko na yan. Kung talagang alam mo na yan, bakit struggling ka pa rin ngayon? You need to empty your cup, you need to learn and learn and learn so that you will grow. Number 3, we are poor, we don't need to save. Wrong. You need to save because you are poor. If you don't start saving today, you'll never be financially free. Number 4, debt is a solution. Hindi po. Financial education is the solution. Saving money is the solution. Increasing cash flow is the solution. Ang utang ay lalong magpapahirap sa'yo. Number 5, talking about money at home is not good. Kaya pala hindi kayo yumayaman kasi hindi nyo pinag-uusapan paano magpalago ng pera. Siguro ang pinag-uusapan nyo ay utang at problema. Yung mga mayayaman, kaya sila mas lalong yumayaman kasi araw-araw kasama sa pinag-uusapan nila ang kanilang business at finances. Number 6, God will do and give everything or bahala na mentality. Bahala na yung retirement ko, bahala na yung mga anak ko, bahala na yung family namin, yung pagkain namin. So kung ganyan yung mentality mo, talagang magugutom kayo. Actually, binigay na ni Lord lahat ng resources para tayo ay yumaman. You just have to do your part. Number 7, my parents are my emergency funds. Be responsible naman. Hindi tayo habang buhay aasa sa ating mga magulang. We need to save money. Number 8, my children and relatives are my retirement funds. Be responsible din. Oo, mahal ka nila pero kung sa kanila ka lang aasa sa iyong retirement, posibleng maiba yung usapan. You need to save, prepare for retirement para hindi ka maging pabigat. Number 9, healthcare and insurance are expenses. Wrong. Subukan mo kayang ma-hospital na wala kang healthcare. Di ba mas costly? And at the same time, wala ka ring peace of mind kapag mamatay na walang insurance. Paano na yung family mo? That's why the wealthy families, wealthy people, consider healthcare and insurance as an investment. Number 10, I can't bring my money when I die. Why should I have more? Ang tanong ngayon, sino bang nagsabi sa iyo na dadalhin mo yung pera mo kapag namatay ka? Iiwanan mo yan sa family mo. And if you really love your family, dapat mas marami kang may papamana sa kanila. Number 11, I will spend my money first and save what is left. Kaya pala hindi kayo mayaman kasi you're using the wrong formula. Ang mga mayayaman, mas lalong yumayaman kasi they're using the abundance formula. Yung income minus tithes minus savings equals expenses. Number 12, I will invest to make money. Wrong. You invest because you have long-term financial goals katulad ng retirement, college education, and marami pang iba. Ibig sabihin, you invest because may purpose ka. Number 13, business is always up. Hindi po. Kahit big companies, they expect for the best but prepare for the worst. Kahit may pandemic o wala, merong mga negosyo nagsasara, di ba? That's why kailangan nating maging financially prepared. Number 14, I want to start a business to make money. Wrong. Let us be reminded that having a business is not just about making money. It's more about solving problems and serving the community. And the more people you help and serve, the more problems you solve, the bigger your business. Number 15, there's always money every payday. Hindi po. In fact, walang job security. And also, you cannot live from paycheck to paycheck. Mahirap yung trabaho, bills, utang, trabaho na cycle. You need to change your life because you were not born just to pay bills and die. Number 16, I can work here sa company or sa government for the rest of my life. Hindi po. Hindi po yan guaranteed. Sabi ko nga, walang job security. Kaya nga, kailangan natin maging financially prepared. Number 17, there's always job and big income abroad. The same, wala pa rin job security. And it doesn't mean na malaki yung income mo, marami ka ng savings kasi ang daming OFW na wala pa rin savings. And if hindi ka magsisave, habang buhay kang mag-a-abroad. And lastly, number 18, sending my children to college is my investment. No, hindi niyo po yan investment. They are your responsibility. And when we talk about investment, ang daming pwedeng simulan. But the best investment na kailangan mong simulan is you invest in financial education. So if you really want to change your life, you must change the way you think. You must change your mindset. At para mangyari yan, you need consistent financial education and right environment. That's why I'm inviting you to attend our online financial class. Mag-comment ka lang ng Wealthy Mindset to register for free. Kaya nga mag-comment ka na ngayon ng Wealthy Mindset. And pagkatapos mo mag-comment, hanapin mo sa description box ng video na to ang aking email and messenger. Mag-send ka ng message para mabigay namin sa'yo yung schedule. Or if there's someone na nag-send sa'yo ng video na to, pwede rin sa kanya ka na humingi ng access ng aming financial class. Remember, you can dream about financial success and at the same time, you think and act like a failure. Dati rin ako mayroong poor mindset but wealthy mindset na ngayon. At tutulungan ka namin ma-change din ang iyong mindset. Again, just type wealthy mindset, message mo ako or ang taong nag-send sa'yo ng video na to. Thank you for tuning in. If you like this video, i-comment mo kung ano ang iyong nagustuhan or ang topic na gusto mong mapag-usapan next time. Please share this video to your family and friends. Change the way you think and you can change your life. Thank you for watching.